Welcome back to Rampage on TNT. A seesaw battle between Willow Nightingale and Queen Aminata. And now Aminata coming in hot with that kick. Aminata now again looking for the cover. Big leverage there by Aminata, but Willow still able to kick out.
Again, not a bad pinning combination that time.
And Tony, I have to mention, right before we came back from picture-in-picture, Stokely Hathaway came over to the desk and he said that he wanted me to let the world, and specifically Chris Statlander, know that Stokely bought a new luxury vehicle.
What? A new luxury vehicle?
Yes. Okay. Oh! German suplex there by Aminata.
Okay, I'm glad he did, and I guess he's going to drive the girls around in it, maybe?
He very well could be, but this could be Aminata's night. The hip attack in the corner, nobody home. Aminata going down awkwardly, and Willow! Big senton in the corner.
When Aminata missed the hip attack, it stunned her. Oh, how about that?
Death Valley driver, center of the ring. Willow, near leg is hooked, and Aminata able to kick out.
Yeah, Aminata just so strong.
Yeah, Aminata able to generate a lot of power from her legs. But Willow, who's been dubbed the Babe with the power, and the Babe with the power bomb could be coming up. Looking for that Dr. Bomb. 1, 2, 3.
The winner in this match, Willow Nightingale.
I'm sorry, Excalibur, but Willow just muscled her up.
Certainly did. Just the gut wrench up, the power bomb on the way down. It wasn't easy, but it was a great victory for Willow Nightingale. But once again, have to give Queen Aminata a tip of the cap. Fantastic effort by her, but Willow Nightingale victorious, much to the chagrin of Stokely Hathaway.
I'm so glad to see her hug Stokely, whatever.
Willow Nightingale, some words with Queen Aminata, offering the hand in respect. Aminata reciprocates. Queen Aminata, a great effort tonight, but still looking for that first landmark win here in AEW. But Willow Nightingale continues to build momentum here in the AEW Women's Division, and a half-hearted effort there by Stokely Hathaway, but now he's forced to get into the mix.
Willow, congratulations on a huge victory tonight against Queen Aminata, having Stokely out there ringside with you. How are you feeling after this win?
I'm feeling great. Renee, I even made this bracelet for you like I said I would. But I'm tired.
Hey, last time I checked, this is Rampage, not Dawson's Creek, all right? Y'all gotta take that mess out of here.
I don't know what that means, but Danny, take care of him. Please.
Yeah. Enchanté.
What the hell is that?
Yeah, well, she's a rescue.
I'm a rescue.
This was my time. This was
You know
my
what? Go back to daycare, you dumb bitch.
Listen, if anyone's gonna make fun of Willow, it's gonna be me.
Wait, you mean that?
What?
Really?
This is a weird relationship.
Oh, listen. You're insulting us. You're taking up our time. And if that's what you want to do, we can settle this in the ring, right? In the ring. In the ring. Next week. So we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Now look what you did.
What I did.
I have to actually wrestle. You do. Is that part of my contract?
Yes, unfortunately.
Oh my
it
gosh,
is.
look what you
I've
made me
been
do now.
asking
I'm
you
so
the
sick
same
of this.
question
Why are you
since
yelling
I
at me?
Everybody,
Oh my gosh.
Take it down a notch. Shut up.
I'm tired.